A $153 smartphone that lasts 7 days on a single charge, connects to satellites anywhere on Earth, and comes with Tesla's most advanced AI assistant? This isn't science fiction, it's the Tesla Pi phone. And it's about to change everything you thought you knew about mobile technology. In the next 10 minutes, you'll discover how Tesla is completely disrupting the smartphone industry with revolutionary features that make $1,000 flagships look outdated. Why this budget device delivers premium experiences other companies can't match at any price. And how this phone is actually the first step toward a fully integrated Tesla lifestyle that most people don't even know exists yet. Welcome to Tesla Daily News, where we break down the latest tech innovations that are reshaping our world. If you're ready to see how Tesla is revolutionizing yet another industry, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more game-changing tech content. When you hear about a $153 smartphone, your brain immediately expects compromises. Cheap plastic that feels like a toy, sluggish performance that makes you want to throw it against a wall, and a display so washed out it looks like you're viewing everything through a dirty window. That's just how budget phones work, right? Well, Tesla didn't get that memo. The Pi phone's build quality is absolutely shocking for its price point. We're talking about a matte aluminum alloy chassis made from 6000 series aluminum, the same premium material that companies like Apple reserve for their most expensive devices. This isn't just marketing speak either. This aluminum offers incredible strength-to-weight ratio and corrosion resistance that you simply don't see in budget phones. The back panel is engineered to be just 0.6 meters thick and finished with sandblasting for a texture that feels smooth and luxurious while being completely resistant to fingerprints. But here's where it gets really impressive. The structural rigidity tests show this phone can handle around 10 Newton-meters of flex without any damage. To put that in perspective, that's stronger than phones costing 3 times as much. And protecting that beautiful aluminum chassis is Corning Gorilla Glass 8 with a 0.4 millimeter protective layer that offers 25% better scratch resistance than previous generations. This is the kind of attention to durability and premium feel that most manufacturers charge flagship prices for. Now let's talk about that display, because this is where Tesla really shows they're not playing by the usual budget phone rules. The Pi phone features a massive 6.7-inch OLED panel that puts it in the same size class as the iPhone 15 Plus or Galaxy S24 Plus. But size isn't everything. It's what Tesla did with that screen real estate that's remarkable. Those bezels are ultra-thin, maximizing every inch of display space for true immersion. OLED technology means you get those deep, rich blacks that make content pop, vibrant contrast that brings movies to life, and punchy colors that make everything look more vivid. But here's something that even expensive phones often struggle with: outdoor visibility. The Pi phone's display remains clearly readable even in bright sunlight, solving one of the most annoying problems with modern smartphones. And despite packing a 6.7-inch screen, the entire phone weighs just 150 grams. That's the same weight as the tiny iPhone 12 mini, which has a screen that's almost 2 inches smaller. Tesla somehow managed to create a phone that gives you flagship-level screen real estate without the bulk and weight that usually comes with it. Security is another area where Tesla took a refreshingly practical approach. Instead of experimenting with unreliable in-screen fingerprint sensors that half the time don't work, or awkward rear-mounted readers that make you contort your finger, they integrated a lightning-fast, incredibly accurate fingerprint sensor directly into the power button. It's genius in its simplicity. You pick up the phone, naturally place your finger on the power button, and you're instantly unlocked. No delays, no awkward angles, no software hiccups that make you want to scream. When you add up all these premium features, the aerospace-grade aluminum construction, the flagship-quality OLED display, the seamless security integration, 3PO, are looking at a device that feels and performs like it should cost $800 or more. But Tesla is delivering all of this for just $153. They're not just raising the bar for budget smartphones, they're completely obliterating it. But the real magic of the Pi phone isn't just in its premium build quality. It's in the revolutionary features that literally don't exist in any other smartphone, regardless of price. Let's start with Grow 4, Tesla's next-generation AI assistant that makes Siri and Google Assistant look like toys from the Stone Age. Grow 4 isn't just another voice assistant that gives you generic responses to basic questions. This is a fully integrated artificial intelligence system that understands your entire Tesla ecosystem. It taps into live data from your Tesla apps, reads your vehicle's sensors in real time, knows your navigation history, and even monitors your home's energy usage through your Powerwall and solar setup. Here's where it gets mind-blowing. Grow 4 reads context in real time and manages your routines intelligently. Let's say you're getting ready for work. Grow 4 automatically checks your calendar, analyzes current traffic conditions, and calculates exactly when you need to leave. It'll notify you at the perfect moment and can even precondition your Tesla's cabin temperature so it's comfortable when you get in. At home, Grow 4 becomes your energy management genius. It continuously monitors your solar power generation and stored energy in your Powerwall, then advises you on energy usage throughout the day. Should you run the air conditioning through the night? Grow 4 knows exactly how much stored solar power you have and can make that decision for you. And here's something that sounds like science fiction, but is actually happening right now. Grow 4 can sync with Tesla's humanoid robot, Optimus. You can literally give voice commands to robotic assistants in your home, whether you're standing right there or halfway around the world. The Pi phone becomes your command center for an entire ecosystem of intelligent machines. But what makes Grow 4 truly revolutionary is that it runs natively on the Pi phone itself. All that AI processing happens directly on your device, which means lightning-fast responses, complete privacy protection, and reliability that doesn't depend on cloud servers or internet connectivity. You get immediate answers and actions without any lag, and you're not sending your personal data to some server farm for processing. Now, let's talk about connectivity, because this is where Tesla has achieved something that seems almost impossible. The Pi phone features Starlink Nano, which brings satellite internet directly into a smartphone. Not as an accessory, not as an add-on, but built right into the phone itself. Starlink Mini already revolutionized portable internet by creating a compact satellite terminal that could bring high-speed internet to remote areas. But Starlink Nano takes this concept to an entirely new level by shrinking that technology to fit inside a smartphone. We're talking about an ultra-compact phased array antenna that's roughly 4 square centimeters in size, small enough to be embedded seamlessly within the Pi phone. This isn't just a backup connection for emergencies. Starlink Nano works seamlessly alongside regular LTE and 5G networks, automatically switching between mobile and satellite connectivity based on what's available and what's fastest. Whether you're deep in the wilderness on a camping trip, driving through areas with poor cell coverage, or dealing with network outages from natural disasters, the Pi phone keeps you connected to the world. The engineering behind this is absolutely incredible. Starlink Nano consumes less than 1.5 watts during typical operation, which is actually lower than most 5G modems. The phased array antenna uses beam-forming technology to dynamically target satellites overhead, reducing energy waste and improving connection stability. And to manage the heat generated during continuous satellite data transfer, Tesla integrated a graphene-based heat dissipation layer that keeps the device cool even during heavy use. This means you can stream videos, make video calls, or upload content from literally anywhere on Earth where you can see the sky. No cell towers required, no Wi-Fi networks needed, just pure global connectivity that fits in your pocket. But even the most amazing features are worthless if your phone dies halfway through the day, which brings us to the Pi phone's approach to battery life and performance. Most modern smartphones are packed with incredible power, but fail at the absolute basics. They overheat during normal use, lag when you need them most, and rarely last a full day without charging. Tesla took a completely different approach, focusing on real war, rounded usability over spec sheet bragging rights. At the heart of the Pi phone is a massive 20,000 milliamp hour battery. That's over 4 times larger than most flagship phones. This isn't just about bigger numbers. It's about delivering real-world battery life that actually works for real people. With this battery capacity, the Pi phone delivers up to 7 full days of regular use on a single charge. We're talking about actually using your phone. Navigation, streaming, managing Tesla devices, making calls, browsing the internet, not just letting it sit idle. 7 days of real use without plugging it in once. When you do need to charge, Tesla's 90-watt fast charging technology takes the phone from 10% to 90% in just 17 minutes. That's one of the fastest charging speeds in the entire smartphone industry. A quick coffee break is enough to get you through almost another full week of use. The software approach is equally revolutionary. Tesla OS is built on Android 14, but it's completely stripped of unnecessary bloat. There are no forced apps you'll never use, no advertisements cluttering your interface, and no heavy animations that slow everything down. The system boots in just 8 seconds and runs incredibly smoothly because it's not weighed down by junk. Only the essential apps come preloaded. The Tesla app for vehicle management, the T-Voice Assistant, a clean web browser, and a high-quality camera app. That's it. No random apps draining your battery in the background, no constant notifications from services you never asked for, just a clean, stable, efficient operating system that gets out of your way. Crucially, Tesla OS isn't locked into the Google ecosystem. It offers a lightweight, private alternative that doesn't track your every move or sell your data to advertisers. Your information stays on your device, under your control. But here's where the Tesla Pi phone reveals its true purpose. It's not just another smartphone trying to compete with Apple and Samsung. It's the foundation of Tesla's vision for a completely integrated digital lifestyle, and once you understand this vision, everything about the Pi phone starts to make perfect sense. The Pi phone transforms into your Tesla command center. With it in your pocket, you're not just managing apps on a screen. You're controlling your Tesla vehicle in real time. You can unlock doors before you reach your car, adjust climate settings so it's perfectly comfortable when you get in, or send navigation directions that are already loaded and ready when you start driving. Through Grow 4, the phone becomes a command center for Tesla Bot, also known as Optimus. These humanoid robots can perform tasks around your home, and with the Pi phone, you can issue voice commands and monitor their actions from anywhere in the world. Whether you're at the office or on vacation, you can tell your Tesla Bot to clean the house, organize your belongings, or handle specific tasks. Inside your home, the Pi phone becomes your energy management hub. It syncs directly with your Powerwall battery system and solar roof, allowing you to track stored energy levels, monitor real-time solar generation, and optimize power usage based on your daily schedule. Grow 4 acts as the central intelligence, learning your usage patterns and automatically adjusting your home's energy consumption to maximize efficiency and minimize costs. For those living off-grid or in Tesla's innovative tiny homes, the Pi phone manages your Starlink connection with incredible precision. You can monitor network load in real time, check signal quality and strength, and even reroute bandwidth to prioritize the devices that need it most. It's like having a network administrator in your pocket. The true promise of the Pi phone is creating a lifestyle where everything is connected, responsive, and working quietly in the background without requiring constant management. It replaces your car key, your home control panel, and your AI assistant all in one device. Instead of juggling multiple apps and devices to manage your digital life, you can simply live with the Pi phone, orchestrating everything seamlessly behind the scenes. This isn't just convenient, it's transformative. Imagine leaving for work and having your house automatically adjust energy usage based on solar forecasts, your car pre-conditioned and ready with the optimal route loaded, and your Tesla Bot preparing your home for your return, all coordinated through simple voice commands or learned routines. The Tesla Pi phone represents something much bigger than just another smartphone launch. It's Tesla's answer to everything that's fundamentally broken about modern mobile technology. While other companies focus on incremental camera improvements or slightly faster processors, Tesla has created a device that proves true. Innovation doesn't require a $1,000 price tag. By reimagining the smartphone as the central hub of a fully integrated ecosystem rather than just a standalone device, Tesla is setting a completely new standard for what users should expect, not just from their phones, but from all their connected devices. The Pi phone isn't just another gadget competing for attention. It's a statement that technology should serve people, not the other way around. What makes this even more significant is how it positions Tesla for the future. They're not just building electric cars anymore, they're building the infrastructure for a completely new way of living. The Pi phone, Starlink, Powerwall, solar roofs, Tesla Bot, and autonomous vehicles all work together as parts of a larger vision where technology seamlessly integrates into daily life. As we look toward the future, the question isn't just whether you'd consider switching to a Tesla phone. It's about what becomes possible when companies stop focusing on competition and start focusing on genuine innovation. If Tesla can deliver this level of functionality, build quality, and integration for $153, what else can they achieve? What other industries are ripe for this kind of disruption? The Tesla Pi phone isn't just a new device. It's the beginning of a new era in personal technology. And if this is what Tesla can accomplish in the smartphone space, the possibilities for what comes next are absolutely limitless. If you found this breakdown of Tesla's smartphone revolution as fascinating as we did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Tesla Daily News for more deep dives into the technology that's reshaping our world. What aspect of the Pi phone impressed you most? Let us know in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video where we explore what other industries Tesla might disrupt next.